You're watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Good evening, I'm Dr. Stencil. I am your principal at Germantown High School. My office is located in M, and if you would like to stop by anytime this evening to ask questions, discuss your child's schedule or school day, I am always available to you. We want you to feel free tonight. This is a true open house. After we get done meeting, you will be able to visit all of your students' classes or just the core four or just the math or English classes. It's completely up to you. But I would like to meet as many parents as possible, so please stop by and say hello.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to Germantown. My name is Blake Waddell, and I have the privilege of serving as the vice principal. I want to encourage you to continually monitor your students' progress in PowerSchool and to reach out to your students and teachers and counselors with any academic concerns you may have. I'm looking forward to another fantastic year, and as always, go Red Devils.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Gore, and I'm the 11th grade administrator. I also handle textbooks, the Honor Code, and 504 plans. My email will be at the bottom of the screen. If you have any concerns or problems, feel free to reach out to me. During our class meetings, I stress to the students that problems are easiest to solve before they happen. And I just want to send that same message to our parents. The entire team is here to support you. If you see a problem brewing, please let us know so we can help avoid it.
My name is Damian Longino, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at Germantown High School. I deal with discipline, transportation, and athletics. If any of you ever need to contact me, I'm located in A building. Go Red Devils.
I'm Assistant Principal Nelba Thomas. In order to start the year off right, I want to talk to you about Germantown High School's absence and tardy policies. Absences from school. Students should present a note from their parent upon return from an absence from school. All absences are coded as unexcused until a note from the parent is received. Notes must be received within 2 days of the absence. Beyond 2 days, a doctor's note will be required to receive an excused absence. Students are considered truant after 3 days of unexcused absences. According to board policy, only the following reasons constitute excused absences: personal illness of student, death or serious illness in the student's immediate family, recognized religious holiday or event, or a validated court appearance of the student. Arrival to school. Students are not allowed in the buildings before 7 a.m. Students arriving before 7 a.m. must wait in the cafeteria or courtyard. Late arrival and check-in procedures. If you're late after 7:15 a.m., go directly to your classroom. From 7:15 until 7:25, go directly to your classroom. If you arrive later than 7:25 a.m., you must sign in late in the attendance office in C building. You will need a note from your parent explaining the reason for your late arrival. Students who are not in class when the bell rings are considered tardy and subject to the consequences of the tardy policy. Here's the policy. Students who are habitually late to class are missing essential instructional time. The first tardy will result in disciplinary action. Tardies will be dealt with in the following manner. First offense, verbal warning from the teacher. Second offense, parent phone call. The teacher will do that. Third offense, you'll get lunch duty. Fourth, you'll get Friday detention. Fifth, 1 day of ISS. Sixth, 3 days of ISS. Seventh offense, 3 days of ISS. Repeat offenders shall be subject to additional measures which could include out-of-school suspensions as described in the countywide discipline policy. Tardies restart each semester. If you need to check out early, students who plan to leave school for family or medical reasons must bring a note to the attendance office before 7 a.m. requesting checkout permission. The note should have the student's first and last name, date of absence, and parent phone number. All notes must be confirmed before a student will be allowed to leave campus. Parents may sign you out for appointments in C office. Hall passes. Students should not be out of class without teacher permission and a signed hall pass from a teacher or administrator. After-school expectations. No student is to be in any buildings, including gyms, after school is dismissed. A student not under the direct supervision of a coach or faculty member after 2:30 p.m. must report to the front circle courtyard for parent pickup. Unsupervised students on campus after 2:45 p.m. will be subject to disciplinary measures, which may include transfer revocation. Just remember, attendance matters. Keep these policies in mind, and we'll have a great school year.
Hi, welcome to Germantown High School. I'm Miss Norman, the College and Career Counselor. We welcome you to a great school year, and I look forward to working with your students with all of their post-secondary needs. If you need to contact me, I'm available in the V building.
Hello, welcome to Germantown High students. I am Miss Fain, your 12th grade administrator and testing coordinator. Have a great year.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us this evening. My name is Rose Clemenson. I am the freshman counselor. Carrying on the Germantown High legacy is important to me. There are many legacies on which Germantown School is built, but none as important as the students who make up this school. Thank you for choosing Germantown High School for your child. I look forward to working with you.
Good evening and welcome to our open house. My name is Ms. Lee and I'm the 10th grade counselor here at GHS. I am very excited about this school year and look forward to working closely with all sophomores and parents. My contact information is below, so please feel free to reach me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for coming out and I hope you have a great evening.
Hello, I'm Dr. Wendy Willingham, and I'm very excited to begin my 9th year as a counselor at Germantown High School and my 21st year as a counselor in Shelby County Schools. I'm looking forward to working with the 11th graders this year and looking forward to a great year.
My name is Fran Odom, and I'm the 12th grade counselor for this school year. I look forward to working with all of you. Please send me an email with any concerns, and I will get back to you. Thank you.
Greetings, my name is Kim Tucker and I'm the IB coordinator here at Germantown High School. I would welcome the opportunity to speak with interested students and parents about what our program has to offer. The easiest way to reach me is via email at tuckerkg@scs-k12.org. Thank you for your attendance this evening and I look forward to a great school year.
Hi Red Devils, I am Allison Rogers-Long, Director of the Creative and Performing Arts Program at Germantown High School. Whether we have known each other going on 4 years or you are new to Germantown, welcome. Germantown High School prides itself in academics, athletics, and the arts. Whether you are part of band, choral music, orchestra, theater, visual arts, or film and video, you are part of our program. For those of you attending GHS who want to be a designated part of the Creative and Performing Arts, you can email me at rogersa@scs-k12.org. and we'll talk about how to get involved. In addition to the classes offered within our CAPA program, our programs will do our best this year to offer in-person performances and exhibitions, and we'd love to have you attend if you're not already involved. As always, GHS-TV will deliver on a weekly basis announcements and additional information to you via our show, Red Devil Newsbeat. Be sure to tune in on GHS-TV.org for other television programs covering events happening on and around our campus and other student-produced original programming. If you are a CAPA student and need help or guidance with anything related to the arts or your schedule, please email or call me.